Hi everyone, today we're going to make a totally groovy garland. In your kit you will find 20 of these felt pieces, a template for cutting out the leaf shape, and roughly 10 feet of yarn. To start, you need to cut this leaf pattern out. Now we're ready to use this leaf pattern as our template to cut the shape out of all of our felt. Now that you have all the leaf shapes, let's go through and fold them in half and then make 4 cuts so you can thread the yarn. Let me show you how you're going to attach these to the yarn. You've added the last leaf. You need to tie off the end of the ribbon so they don't come off, and then you're done. I hope you had fun. See you next time. Bye.